What if art was more than just a creative activity? What if it can actually help your child grow, learn, think creatively, and even build confidence for life? What if art, for you as a parent or a guardian, gave you an escape, a way to express yourself, a way to decompress, de-stress? Hi, my name is LaShonda Rose, and I am the founder of LR Holistic Arts. And I have been creating art since a little girl. And that passion has grown into a lifelong journey of teaching others how to discover the power of creativity and the places that it can take you. I am an artist, and for over 20 years, I've worked as an art educator for grades K through 12. And I've done paint and sips, art parties, birthday parties, workshops, creative programs designed for all ages. In addition to teaching art, my experience includes graphic design freelance, stage design for plays and productions, mural paintings, custom art canvas pieces, pet portraits. At LR Holistic Arts, we believe that art supports the whole person, mind, body, and spirit. So let's create, learn, and grow together. I am excited to be teaching live online classes through Whimsy, YouTube tutorials, and Instagram live sessions. So I hope you join me.